Reading newspaper is a very important to learn spoken English. I tell you what are the benefits and why should you read the newspaper, and finally which newspaper you should read. Guys, when you do reading in a newspaper, you get good sentences, new lines, new vocabulary. So definitely it increases your reading skills as well as you learn new things. And now I tell you the second more important thing. The important part of reading newspaper is to get new vocabulary. Guys, why do I do reading of newspaper? To get new vocabulary every time. Yeah, I do it. And today I'm going to let you know which newspaper I read. And especially on Sunday I purchase this newspaper and I read it and I increase my vocabulary. And so the newspaper is Hindustan Times of English language, and there is a HT City paper inside this. Here all the celebrities interview is there and some articles related to them which you can read. So modern words are used over there, modern lines are used there, and you can find some good structures, good formula over there to speak English also. So I read this, I improve my reading skills, I learn new things, and the best thing, I learn new vocabulary. And guys, when I find new vocabulary, I just search in a dictionary, I check pronunciation, I check example, and I write down in my diary, and I keep on improving my vocabulary. So just purchase this newspaper, and the HP City is fantastic paper. I had been using this like for a long time. So what are you waiting for? Just purchase the newspaper and improve your vocabulary today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.